Caladiums, the highly attractive and colorful plants, can be broadly classified as two types. 1. Fancy-leafed caladiums. 2. Lance-leafed caladiums. Each of these types have different varieties when it comes to the color. There are almost 20 varieties of fancy-leafed caladiums. Before moving on to the list, if you haven't yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, as this would motivate me to make more such videos. 1. Aran is white with green margins and has some sun tolerance. 2. Caladium is an old cultivar that has white leaves with green veins. 3. Carolyn Whorton has pink leaves with red veins and green margins. 4. Firechief is a dark pink, with limited sun tolerance. 5. Florida Elise has green leaves with rose-pink brushstrokes and speckles and tolerates more sun. 6. Florida Fantasy is white with red veins. 7. Freida Hemple is deep red with green margins and no sun tolerance. 8. Gypsy Rose has pink veins with green blotches. 9. June Bride is white with green margins. 10. Kathleen is red with green margins. Moir is whitish-green with red spots. 11. Moonlight has luminescent white leaves with a faint green margin. 12. Pink Beauty has medium green leaves with hot pink veins and medium pink splashes. 13. Pink Cloud is pink with green margins and some sun tolerance. 14. Postman Joiner is a well-known dark red with green margins. 15. Raspberry Moon has vibrant green leaves with raspberry splotches. 16. Red Flash is dark red, with fuchsia spots, green margins and good sun tolerance. 17. Strawberry Star has white leaves with red square-like flecks and speckles and green veins. 18. White Christmas is a popular white-leafed cultivar. 19. White Queen is white with red veins and has some sun tolerance. Varieties of lance-leafed caladiums. 20. Caloosahatchees white with a green margin. 21. Caladium Jr. is a dwarf white caladium with green veins. 22. Florida Sweetheart is mauve-pink with green margins. 23. Gingerland is white with red blotches and a green margin. 24. Miss Muffet is a dwarf caladium. Its leaves are green with white veins and red blotches. This cultivar has no sun tolerance. 25. Peppermint has white and red candy cane striped leaves with green margins.